Welcome to Bettye's Cooking Channel. Today I'm preparing for you a low-carb pizza. These are the ingredients. This is 8 ounces of cream cheese, 4 eggs, half a cup of cheese. This is the kind of cheese I'm using. Okay, see that? 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, and 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. I'm gonna mix up everything that's in the measuring cup there. Mix up the spices so they well incorporated. Add everything to this bowl. Let me add the eggs first. I'm gonna blend up the eggs. You can blend it up with whatever you like. This morning. I'm going to add in the cheese, and this is for the crust for the pizza. It's a low-carb pizza. Preheat the oven at 375 degrees for 15 to 16 minutes. These are the toppings I'm going to add to the pizza. This is hot Italian sausage. This is turkey pepperoni. I'm going to add some baby spinach to it. Chopped onion. Some green peppers, mushroom, provolone cheese, Italian style cheese, and some pepper flakes and olive oil. So we get started on chopping up everything. I added the mushrooms to the skillet with no oil. I just want to roast them in the pan here. Try to remove as much water as possible. I'm adding a whole bell pepper to this pizza. Now I'm going to add some oil to the skillet. Now I'm going to add some oil. Skillet. I'm using avocado oil. Avocado oil contains very high heat. So I'm using this. I only use olive oil usually on salad and raw kind of vegetables. half an onion. Half the spinach. And use 2 hands for the spinach. Baby spinach. About a 4th teaspoon of salt, sea salt. Here's my pizza crust. I just took it out of the oven. So I'm going to let it sit until I get all my other ingredients together. I'm going to add a little turmeric. And some Italian seasoning to it. And that's about a half a teaspoon. And a half a teaspoon of garlic. Half a teaspoon of onion powder. And I'm going to go ahead and add some fresh garlic as well into this mix. It smells delicious in this kitchen. I added 6 pieces of Parmesan cheese to the pizza before I add any sauce or anything else on the pizza. I used about 6 mushrooms on the pizza, chopped them up, put them on the side right now. That's for the pizza. I didn't use the whole box, I used the whole container of mushrooms, just 6 mushrooms. I'm going to use a pinch of pepper flakes in the pizza topping. And a 1/4 of a teaspoon of oregano. Add in the toppings to the pizza. I'm gonna taste it, see if I need to add any more salt or anything to it. Yes, I do. Just a little bit. I added my garlic to the pizza. Now I'm going to add my cheese, some of my cheese to the pizza. And like I said, this is Italian cheese. I like to use different types of cheeses on my pizza. This is a low-carb pizza, high-fat pizza. Okay, let me get my pepperoni. Just here. Try not to get in front of the camera. I just throw them on there. My hand won't get in the camera. Oops. Now I'm going to add some more Italian cheese to the top of that because I do not want burnt Italian pepperoni. There's my cheese here. Okay, and notice I put the pizza pie on top of some parchment paper, so it's easy to remove it when I get ready to cut it. Okay, all right, we're gonna place it back into 375 degrees. And I'm not gonna give you a time right now because I got a lot of stuff on this pizza, so I will give you the time after it comes out of the oven. Got to put the pizza sauce on. This pizza sauce here is a 8-ounce, and it only has 1 gram of sugar, 2 grams of sugar, 4 carbs, and it has 1 gram of fiber. So I'm going to use just a little bit of this since I forgot to put it on there. So I'm going to just kind of mix it in with the cheese. I'll show you what it looks like after I add it. I added it on top of it, but I'm also going to add some more cheese to it. Okay, I added some more cheese to it. It's still going to be good, but the sauce should have went on top of the provolone cheese before I added the mushrooms and the other ingredients. Use about a 1/4 can of this sauce on the pizza, so you don't need a lot. So I set this aside for something else. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe. Have a wonderful day. The crust is nice and brown.